Hello students, Mr. O, your substitute teacher here, and if you're like many other families, your sleep schedule may have shifted a little bit. Remember how you used to get up early for school? Maybe some of you still are, but some of you are probably sleeping in later, which means it is lighter later in the day, and these things are way too bright. Today we're going to do a project that has a little bit of art and a little bit of energy conservation. I call it make your own black light curtains. Let's go out and start painting. And we will carefully remove our curtains so we can paint them. Curtains are delicate. You got to be careful when you're taking these things out. Make sure your parents help.
The dark color on one side of our blackout curtain will absorb a lot of heat. You want to face that side out in the winter to bring in more heat to your room. So today we're going to paint our own blackout curtains. And remember, anytime I say the word paint, we got to make sure we're wearing the right stuff. So let's get into some appropriate painting attire. Okay, this is more like it. Everything I have on me is probably already gotten paint, and it's going to get paintier. I don't even know if paintier is a word, but we're going to get this rolling. So what I've already done is I have laid out my tarp, because it's going to be messy paint, and I've already painted my black on one side of my blackout curtains. And now we're going to paint a very light color, and the shinier, the more reflective paint, the better on the other side. So the first thing we'll do, let's shake up that paint. Okay, the paint is dry on both sides. We've got our dark matte, all dry over there. And we've got our light colored, shiny, matches the room, all dry over this side. Let's get it up on the wall and see what happens.
Here's a picture of what it looks like before we make our blackout curtains. Okay, we got our new blackout curtains installed. Let's see how dark it is now. Oh, much better. I am ready for my nap. So, I am now ready for my nap or to sleep in with my new blackout curtains. From a safe social distance and a very dark place. This is Mr. O, your substitute teacher, saying keep calm, get go on.